I may buy Saitama coin soon to swing trade. I'm not buying Saitama coin for the long term. I'm just buying it to swing trade. I need to make a quick buck to get a haircut. Haircuts are expensive here in Singapore. Now before you accuse me of backtracking, I'm not selling my house like many of you are to buy Saitama and hodl it for eternity. I'm not allergic to money, and if I see an opportunity, I will take it. There are two major catalysts for Saitama: saitamask and Nasdaq. I see a good trading opportunity here. I'll show it to you in a while. All I ask from you in return is to like this video and subscribe to my channel. But don't do what I do, because you may lose all your money. So let's get into it. Each candle here represents one day, and today's candle, which is here, is above this candle, which is yesterday's candle. Now this has caught my attention, but two things need to happen first. Number one, today's candle needs to engulf yesterday's candle, and it looks like it's happening. Alright, today's candle is much larger than yesterday's candle. It's an engulfing candle. That's what they call it. Number two, the volume here has to be in the green, and today's volume has to come up a little bit. Let's check it out here. How is the volume doing? The volume, okay, just a while back it was 23% down. Now it's 21.95% down. So we can see that it's going in a positive direction and it's slowly recovering. So once these two things happen, once I see these two things taking place, then I will take the trade. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below about my setup here. I just need two things to happen. The engulfing candlestick, it looks like it's happening soon. The volume needs to be up. Once that's done, I'll get into the trade. Let me know what you think. Whether will I be able to make money? Are you doing something similar? Let me know in the comment section down below. Theoretically, I can ride it up till here. That movement there will be about 30+%. But I'm going to get out once I make like 10%. Alright? That's because TA for crypto does not work as accurately as it does for stocks. What if Russ farts during the next AMA? All this TA here will be useless. That reminds me of Saitamask. If Saitamask release date is announced, then this will go parabolic in the short term. On the day of release or post-release, I'm not sure. It may come down just as fast. Buy the rumor, sell the news, bro. So there are no clear indications of the release of Saitamask yet, but according to Crypto Dab, it is releasing next week. And I have no reason to not believe her because she has diamond hands, bro. There is also one more catalyst, the interview of Russ with Nasdaq. And according to Hanok Crypto, he believes Saitama could list on Nasdaq. He says, Saitama set the trend of a crypto project launching a token and legally incorporating a business. Saitama Inc. will one day be listed on the Nasdaq as a publicly traded stock. This will be the trend of the decade for crypto, especially the projects that operate as tech companies. Here are some comments. I hope everyone understands these crypto influencers have access to the same information the rest of us do. They don't have secret insider knowledge. Don't let them misguide you for their own boring. This guy is talking like me. I have 100% faith in Saitama. This is more like it. Yes. Same. We're riding this train to the bank. Yes. There is so much about this post that is inaccurate, boring. This guy is like me, spreading FUD. Come on, brother, stop listening. Boring. Now, anyway, why would a crypto project list on Nasdaq? Why? One of the reasons why crypto was created in the first place was to move away from things like Nasdaq and the NYSE, the banks, governments, etc. Now, gold was useful as a currency due to its inherent physical attributes, but it was also cumbersome. Paper money was an improvement, but it requires manufacturing and storage and lacks the mobility of digital currencies. The digital evolution of money has moved away from physical attributes and towards more functional characteristics. Now, one of the most beautiful tenets of cryptocurrency, for me at least, is decentralization. Now, what is decentralization? Decentralization simply refers to transfer of control and decision making from a centralized entity like Nasdaq or Saitama Inc., Saitama LLC, whatever you want to call it, to a distributed network like this. Decentralized networks strive to reduce the level of trust that participants must place in one another and deter their ability to exert authority or control over one another in ways that degrade the functionality of the network. So why would you list a crypto project on Nasdaq? Is it because it's the future, bro? Also, what would happen to the Saitama coins people already hold? Saitama coins play the same role as shares in a company. So if you list on Nasdaq, you will be creating more shares to be sold on the open market. And that will dilute the value of the coins of the existing holders. Or maybe they're going to transfer the existing Saitama coins to Nasdaq to be issued as shares. But I don't think the boomer IBM computers at Nasdaq will be able to read numbers with quadrillion digits. We may need like supercomputers like the ones they have at NASA. Maybe Saitama is partnering with NASA, who knows? I think that will be a good partnership because NASA knows a thing or two about going to the moon. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think Saitama is partnering with Nasdaq and whether you think it's a good idea. Alright? So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.